Hello, today we will guide you through how to unhide candles on GoCharting. If your candlesticks have disappeared from the chart and you're only seeing other overlays or chart elements, don't worry. This is usually just a visibility setting and it can be turned back on in a few clicks. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the exact process to make your candles visible again on GoCharting. To begin, open GoCharting and go to the Trading Hub. This is where you'll access the chart interface and the settings related to how your market data is displayed. Once you're in the trading area and your chart is open, you're ready to adjust the layer settings. Next, look over to the right-hand panel. On that side of the screen, find and click on Layers. This section controls which chart components are currently visible, including candles, indicators, and other visual elements. If something on your chart seems hidden, the Layers panel is often the first place to check. After opening Layers, click on Cluster. This will expand the settings connected to the cluster view and related chart display options. Depending on your layout, the menu may already be partially visible, but the goal here is to open the cluster settings so you can access the candlestick visibility control. Once you're inside the cluster settings, look below the candlestick option and enable Show. If this setting is turned off, your candles will remain hidden from the chart even though the rest of the interface is working normally. Turning Show back on tells GoCharting to display the candlesticks again. As soon as you enable that option, your candles should reappear on the graph. Take a moment to check the chart and confirm that the candlestick view is now visible. If needed, give the chart a second to refresh visually, especially if you're working with multiple layers or a heavily customized layout. And that's it. Your candlesticks should now be unhidden and visible again in GoCharting. If you run into the same issue later, remember that the Layers panel and the cluster settings are the key places to revisit. This is a simple fix, but it can be easy to miss if you're not familiar with where display settings are located. Thanks for following along, and you're all set to continue analyzing your chart with the candlesticks back in view.